I'm going to order the defendant to pay back the $65 to clean the car. I'm going to do that for the following reason. I don't know whether you ever had any dealings with him. I am tired of business owners thinking they can do a better job in court than people who actually have factual testimony to give me. I would like to speak to your son, the same son who doesn't bother to write anything about details when he charges somebody $500 and takes a $250 deposit. The devil's in the details in the cases that are in front of me. I need to know what the transaction and the contract was between you guys. Because if the contract is, this is what we're going to do, and this is not what you do, I don't really care whether you get refunds or not. Nowhere on this receipt that your son wrote, and I still can't question your son because you still don't bring your son, nowhere here does it say no refunds. Bottom line is the guy went there to get a job done, and the job couldn't get done. Of course, this lawsuit against you for the insurance is preposterous, but the $250 and the $65, I'm going to order you to pay for a sum total judgment in favor of the plaintiff in the amount of $315. You need to control your temper. All right.
So let's see what the defendant has to say. The plaintiff has collected almost everything he sued you for.
Right, I know. A little ridiculous, but in our business, we come across things that we can't always say what's going to happen. And we try to make everybody as happy as we can. We couldn't make him happy. He was a very hard man to make happy. Like I said, he was a little crazy, but...
Really? Are you unhappy with the way your son handled the business arrangements with him, not writing down the details on the...
Yes, definitely. We had to be more on top of that. And then that was our problem. That's why we lost, I think. Otherwise...
you gonna have a little conversation with him?
Yes, we'll have a conversation when we get together.
And you say he threatened?
He threatened